The need to promote youth participation in policy formation, peace and security processes was the focus of a one-day policy dialogue in Lafia, the Nasarawa state capital. The policy dialogue on youth development and the validation of United Nations Security Council Resolution 2250 domestication for Nasarawa state took place at Mosbera Guest Palace, Lafia. The reports. Nasarawa State, which according to a UNESCO report has an estimated youth population of 794,523, out of which 36.5% are said to be unemployed, despite a thriving educational system, has limited capacity to absorb its graduates. This perhaps necessitated Action Aid Nigeria in collaboration with Global Peace Development and Become Youth Initiative to seek ways of domesticating the United Nations Security Council Resolution 2250 through its SAF2 project funded by Global Community Engagement and Resilience Fund, GSAF. The United Nations Resolution 2250, according to the Resilience Program Manager, Action Aid Nigeria, and SAF2 Project Coordinator, Mr. Anisetus Atako, was first issued in December 2015 and is aimed at drawing attention to challenges affecting youth participation in peace and security process across the globe, thus calling on the attention of government and stakeholders to support the development of a youth commission in the state.
I came out to address issues of youth empowerment, youth engagement. It has 5 pillars, and each of those pillars center around engagement with youth, with the third one being the issue of relevance that has to center around education. Using education as a key for building resilience for the youth.
Loading the Deputy Speaker, Nasarawa State House of Assembly, for initiating the Nasarawa State Youth Development Commission Bill, which has scaled through first reading at the floor of the House. Atako explained that Action Aid as an organization will not rest on its oars to ensure the commission becomes a reality.
Nasarawa State, our focus is on women and youth, so youth development becomes key. However, we've also noticed that just coming into carry out initiatives or activities that will last for the lifetime of this project is 3 years, and after 3 years, what next? After 3 years, what happens? So we feel institutionalizing some of the initiatives that we have introduced is also a way of building sustainability around our engagement. Hence, we came up with the support for
Deputy Speaker of the Nasarawa State House of Assembly, Nehemiah Ntsedan Daura, who led other members of the House to the meeting, expressed worry over the increasing rate of youth unemployment, which, according to him, prompted his decision to initiate the bill geared towards addressing youth unemployment and other challenges bedeviling the youth. A view that was corroborated by the representative of the Commissioner of Youth and Sports Development, Abubakar Ahmed Umar.
Sincerely, the bill, I feel, is what the state needs at the moment, because when you look at our streets are littered with youths doing nothing, though graduates. That is why I came up with that bill, that if it's properly passed through all the necessary stages and signed to law, I believe that the bill is going to do so much good to the state.
This need for diversification has been demonstrated the world over, especially the developing or developed countries. It is not everything that will be left for government alone.
Speaking on the essence of the meeting, State Coordinator, Global Peace Development, Fatima Sadiq, who represented the Executive Director and the Program Officer Become Youth Initiative, promised Alkali, said the meeting was to validate the domestication of the United Nations document aimed at developing the capacity of youth, and expressed optimism that the bill, if passed into law, will actively engage youth in decision-making. Some youths interviewed, Barnabas Usman and Susan Garba, commended Action Aid Nigeria and its partners for the initiative, urging other organizations and stakeholders to work towards improving the lots of youth in the state. From Mosmera Guest Palace, Lafia, I am Patience Jacob reporting.